What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Josh THD. I'm your tech content and travel content creator. Yes, very happy to review the cryptocurrency hard drive. So if you're in the crypto space, do watch this video and share to your colleagues as well. Yes, this video is going to be more fintech or financial space. So now this is a legal Nano S. So it's a cryptocurrency gadget or device used to store all your crypto assets. For example, you buy your BTC, you buy your Ethereum, you buy your Nano or other assets or your other crypto assets. You can easily store it on this hard drive, and also by the help of your software you can also store it, then have the physical hardware to store your device, your asset as well. So this is my first time using this, so I'm going to unbox this. These are the basic instructions about the Nano or the hard drive cryptocurrency asset storage. Anyhow, so now we have, for example, you secure and own your own crypto with the legal Nano S. The best protection for your private key with a certified secure element. So combine your hardware wallet with the legal life application to buy, exchange, grow and manage your crypto assets. You can download the legal.com/live. Just search it on your Google browser and you can have access to it. So you install the 3 to 6 applications on your device, easily manage your favorite crypto legal Nano S, support Bitcoin, Ethereum and up to 1,500 assets. Now, cryptocurrency hardware wallet. Okay, let's unbox. So first of all, when you open the case, this is what you're going to see. The way you package the hard drive is very this is an expensive gadget, so it has to be packaged as if you know what I mean, big man thing. Okay, so now this is the hard drive. First of all, we have the hard drive, they place inside this black frame. So and look at how it is. So it has a display screen and just like your digital token asset. So and the reset button beside. Then the next is our other charging asset. So we have the cable to power the Nano hard drive. Then we have like a rope to and the stuff for this on it. Yes, the most important thing is we have the legal Nano welcome notes. So when you open these notes, there are a lot of rephrase key that you're gonna learn how to set it up. So the rephrase key, first of all, you have up to 5 cards. So each of these cards, first of all, we have the confidential document. So here you get your rephrase key from all these cards from 1 to 24. You can set up your rephrase key, then you can also make use of the start.legalwallet.com for more instructions. Yes, what's up guys, I'm gonna put out the next video about the hard drive cryptocurrency storage of all your assets. I'm going to make the next video of how to power up the cryptocurrency hard drive, and also setting it up step by step. So if you're up to get this, link in my bio or just send a DM. I'm on Instagram at JoshuaDaniel1, my Twitter JoshuaDaniel0, and Just that, those are my two handles. LinkedIn, Joshua Daniel, not on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn. Those are my social medias, platform I use. So, welcome to the world of cryptocurrency hard drive. Thank you. And most importantly, at the end of this video, it's very important you subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. Also click on the notification button so that when next I post my new video, you'll be the first to watch, and also drop a comment. Please, at the end of this video, make sure you drop a nice comment about this review, the cryptocurrency hard drive. So I'm going to appreciate you by when you subscribe, you share the video, you talk to your friends about the video. Thank you, I really appreciate it. We'll see you record.